I'm about to show you how to record professional sounding vocals with the Audient iD14. Step number 1 is to connect your interface to your computer with the included USB-C cable. Step number 2 is to plug your microphone to the back of the Audient iD14 with an XLR cable. If you're using a condenser microphone like the Audient iD14, then don't forget to flick the 48-volt switch, also known as phantom power. However, if you're using a dynamic microphone like the Shure SM7DB, then phantom power is not required. Step number 3 is to open up your recording software of choice, in my case Logic Pro. Make sure that both your input and output are set to the Audient iD14. Then create an audio track, and if your recording software has this feature, go into the settings and enable low latency monitoring so you can hear yourself in real time with near zero latency. Step number 4 is to set a healthy gain level. Start singing or speaking into the microphone and bring up the gain knob on your audio interface. Pay attention to the level meter on your audio track. It should be lighting mainly green and peaking at yellow, but never red. If it's red, that means that the signal is way too hot, the audio is clipping, and unfortunately you cannot fix this in post. So as a rule of thumb, try keeping your gain levels between -18 to peaking at -12. This will give you a strong signal with enough headroom in case you get excited, and it will prevent the mic from clipping. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Step number 5 is to create a great headphone mix. The goal here is for you to be able to hear yourself comfortably so you can perform at your best. Click on the headphone selector on the Audient iD14 and use the rotary knob to control its output volume. You can also do this in your recording software by moving the fader of your vocal track. This is helpful especially for musicians working with multiple tracks. This way you can really customize it to your liking. And also, I found that most singers like to hear a little bit of reverb in their headphones. You can easily do that by sending your track to a bus. You can pick any bus, so I usually pick bus number 1. Then add the reverb effect to that bus, and on your audio track, adjust how much of the reverb is going to be sent to your vocal. Once you're ready to get started recording, make sure to enable your track and press record. If you need one-on-one help with your recording setup, click on the link in the description below to book a video call with me. And if you want to learn my best tips for recording vocals, go ahead and click on this video.